Hi everyone, this is Chahal Verma, and in this video we will talk about ETFs or exchange traded funds, which can be a great investing option for you, especially if you are a beginner in investing. Let's see what ETFs are, how they work, and how to invest in them. First things first, what exactly is an ETF? An exchange traded fund or ETF is a type of investment fund that trades on stock exchanges similar to an individual stock. ETFs are a sort of investment fund that combines the best features of two popular assets. They combine the diversification benefits of mutual funds with the simplicity with which equities or stocks are exchanged. Here is a simple overview of how ETFs work. First is creation. An ETF is created by an issuer who gathers assets and puts them into the fund. Now this fund is then divided into shares that are sold to investors. Second, trading. Once the ETF is created, its shares are traded on an exchange throughout the day just like a regular stock. This means you can buy or sell ETFs at market prices during trading hours. Third, management. ETFs are managed by professionals who handle the buying and selling of the assets within the fund, aiming to track the performance of a specific index, sector, or an asset class. Now let's see why are ETFs a good choice for beginners. First reason is diversification. One of the biggest advantages of ETFs is diversification. By investing in an ETF, you're getting exposure to a wide range of assets. For example, if you invest in an ETF that tracks the S&P 500, you're indirectly investing in 500 of the largest companies in the US. This spreads out your risk. Second, lower costs. ETFs generally have lower expense ratios or annual fee compared to mutual funds or actively managed funds. Third, transparency. Now, most ETFs are required to report their holdings on a daily basis, so you know exactly what assets you own. Fourth, liquidity. Since ETFs trade on an exchange, they can be bought and sold throughout the trading day at market prices. Fifth, ease of use. For beginners, ETFs are easy to understand and manage. Many platforms offer ETFs as part of their investment options, and you can invest in them through regular brokerage accounts. There are many types of ETFs for you to choose from based on your investment goals. Here are top 5 common types. First, stock ETFs. These track a specific index like the S&P 500 or Nifty, Sensex, etc. Second, bond ETFs. These focus on bonds and can provide income through interest payments. Third, sector and industry ETFs. These invest in specific sectors like technology, healthcare, or energy. Fourth are international ETFs. These provide exposure to markets outside of your home country. Fifth are thematic ETFs. These focus on specific investment themes or trends such as clean energy or emerging technologies. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you begin. First, open a brokerage account. Choose a brokerage firm and open an account. Many brokers offer ETFs with no trading fees. Second, research ETFs. Look for ETFs that match your investment goals. Third, buy shares. Now decide how many shares you want to purchase and place an order through your brokerage account. Fourth, monitor your investments. Keep an eye on your ETFs and review your portfolio periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. That's the end of the video. I really hope this helps. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. All the best.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.